Hi, I'm Mike Sanders. I'm with Dart Machine. I'm here with Joe from Borowski Racing. We want to go over our new LS7 head with you. The head comes with two options. One with ductile intake seats and copper infiltrated exhaust seats. It also comes with the standard LS rocker system bolt pattern and a billet rail to create more stability in the valve train. The second option is going to be for a 7/16 upgraded Jessel rocker bar that we have improved the geometry by moving it closer 30 thousandths to the valves, and that head will come with copper beryllium or copper intake and exhaust seats. This is our standard ductile iron seat. It's 66 cc combustion chamber, fully CNC ported, 6-bolt capability. This head right here is truly an amazing head for making power.